Question 2 is this question here. So the question asks you to find the size of angle BCD. Let's first know which angle is that. BCD is this angle here. Some students don't know how to know which angle is it. So just to start on B, go to C and D. The letter in the middle is the angle. So it's angle C. Now, to find this, we need to remember the circle theorems. So we can first find this angle here, can we? If you remember this theorem here, it says this angle plus this angle makes 180. Always this is 180. So if this is 50, this is just going to be 130. But because the question says give a reason for each stage, we need to write why. Now we know if you have a tangent, this angle with the radius is 90. You must write the reason to get the full mark. So tangents make right angle with the radius. You can write that. You can write the angle between the tangent and a radius is 90. Now that means these angles here are 90 degrees both. Now if we look at this quadrilateral four-sided shape, the sum of the four angles, this plus this plus this plus this, is 360. So this angle here is just going to be 360 minus this minus this minus this. So 360 minus 90 minus 90 minus 50. And that gives you the same thing. It's 130 because in the beginning I said x plus y is 180. So you can use this, or you can look at the whole thing. That's very good. Now we found this. How will this help me to find this? If you remember the central angle theorem, these two has a relation. It's this one here. The angle on the circumference is half the central angle. So if this is 130, this is half of 130. So 130 divided by 2, because the circumference angle is half the central angle. So 130 divided by 2 is just 65. We got the full mark if we do this. Now let's look at the assessor's comment. They say the students don't use these words, they use different words. For example, some students may say angle between tangent and circle. This is correct. Some students may say angle at the origin is twice the angle at the edge of the circle. This is not correct. There are some words they are looking for. They look for right angle or 90 degrees, and they look for tangents and look for radius. So these three words, tangents, right, and radius, are important. For this one here, circumference, half, central, these are the words they look for. If you say the central angle is double the circumference, it's also correct. So some words are very important to use. So let's look at the mark scheme. It's this one here. Even if you look at the mark scheme, the underlined word are the words they are looking for. Tangent, radius, 90 or right, quadrilateral. This we didn't use this method. We did angles in quadrilaterals is 360, and then angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference, or you can say angle at the circumference is half of angle at the center. So this is important to get the full mark. This is a 4-mark question. If you don't show all your works, you may get 1 or 2 marks. Let's go to question 3.